LLC with Two Structures Homes. I am the daughter of Jay and Trisha Evans, which are the owners of Two Structures Homes, and today I want to show you my top 5 favorite things about the Augusta floor plan. Stay tuned. My first favorite thing is the 3-panel sliding glass door. My second favorite thing about the Augusta floor plan is the massive bonus room. My third favorite thing about the Augusta floor plan is the patio access from the master bedroom. My fourth favorite thing about the Augusta floor plan is how every bedroom has a bathroom attached to it. This is the 2 secondary bedrooms, and they share a Jack and Jill bathroom. This is the front bedroom, and it has its own bathroom. And finally, my 5th favorite thing about the Augusta floor plan is the living area, how it's all open with the kitchen, the living room, and the dining space, and it all is a cohesive space. Here's the view from the back patio door looking in. You have your main living space here, your dining space here, and then really big sized kitchen with a huge island you can sit at for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. If you're like us, we typically eat at the island anyways. So this one makes that so nice with its size. So that wraps up my top 5 favorite things about the Augusta floor plan. If you liked this floor plan too and you want to see more, please go over to our YouTube page. You can see the full tour of this home, or you can go to our website and see our standard features and look at our other floor plans. If you think this is the plan for you, please give us a call. Our information is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you have a great day.